Ryanair reporting quarterly numbers this morning. The company posting a smaller than expected loss while upgrading its full-year forecast a little bit on strong summer bookings. However, the company also saying that fares remain well below pre-pandemic levels. Joining us now, Neil Sorahan, Ryanair CFO. It's good to see you, Neil, and it's still tough. I understand that just looking at these numbers. We're seeing things that may have doubled sequentially from the previous quarter, but are still at down a third from pre-pandemic levels. And it's just a tough operating environment, which is continuing for you. Can you describe the progress that you're trying to make here?
Sure, Joe. Good to see you. And as you said, first quarter numbers out this morning. Traffic has rebounded quite strongly. We saw traffic increase from 500,000 in the first quarter last year when we were effectively grounded to 8.1 million in the current quarter. But we're anticipating that we're going to have about 9 million customers in July. That's up from 5 million in June, 10 million in August, and hopefully something similar into September. So people are getting confidence. They're starting to come back. We're probably a couple of months behind where our colleagues are on your side of the Atlantic, where domestic operations seem to be back to almost pre-pandemic levels. Europe's a little bit behind that. But we'd be hopeful that we'll see a bounce back over the course of this year. We've already improved our traffic guidance for the full year. We had been guiding somewhere in a range of the lower end of 80 million to 120 million customers. We've tightened that up now to 90 million to 100 million for the current financial year to March 2022.
And you fully expect, what was your record, 148 million or something at 2019?
Just slightly above that, yeah. We were 149 coming into COVID. We'd hope to get that back to about 150 million next year, and then we start growing towards 200 million over the next 4 years. So we're about 150 million the next financial year, 175, 195, 200 million customers. And that'll be driven along by the new game changer, the new Boeing aircraft that we've taken into the fleet. We've 210 of those on order, of which nearly 10 have delivered already at this point in time, and proven to be a phenomenal aircraft.
You're going to continue. There are other orders that might be in the works with Boeing too. Is that correct?
Oh, there's no secret that we would like to do something on a MAX 10, but it all boils down to price. You know, if the price is right, we're interested in buying aircraft. We've got loads of growth, however, with the current order that'll get us to 600 aircraft in the fleet by our financial year 2026, March 2026, and 200 million customers. So if we were looking at a MAX 10, it's effectively between 2026 and 2030. So absolutely no rush to do anything. Boeing, in fairness, are very focused on getting the game changer aircraft to us. That delivery process is working well. We hope to take another 50 of them, another 50 plus of them over the winter, which will see us with 60 plus Maxes in the fleet for next summer. And maybe towards the back end of this year, we might get together to have a conversation about a follow-on order.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.